What is the TryUnity dApp? The TryUnity dApp is an exclusive DeFi and NFT wealth-sharing platform. TryUnity boasts three main functions along with a powerful community financial structure. TryUnity is a sovereign decentralized developmental and communal self-financing app created solely for the Isle of Judah and West Ethiopia's establishment. After the full minting of the VIP NFT tickets, the launch of the TryUnity dApp will shortly follow. During the first 24 hours, only VIP NFT ticket holders will have the ability to join the protocol. There is a three-step system. Step 1. Join the TryUnity protocol. New member joins the TryUnity smart contract through invite link for 300 ULX. These new members will then interact with the TryUnity smart contract. 300 ULX is split into three transfers. 100 ULX out of 300 ULX is sent to corresponding address connected to the TU2 structure. 100 ULX out of 300 ULX is sent to corresponding address connected to the TU3 structure. 100 ULX out of 300 ULX is automatically sent to Isle of Judah Development Fund. 1 WEDC voucher NFT is minted in chronological order and sent to each new member. WEDC stands for West Ethiopia Digital Citizenship. Each West Ethiopia Digital Citizenship voucher NFT minted corresponds with the ID hash of the created account and are minted in chronological order. This NFT allows the holder to log in to corresponding web UI back office of the TryUnity decentralized application. This also means, if new member decides to send this NFT to another address, the new address that receives this NFT will then be the address connected to the account. Additionally, the first 1 million members will receive airdrops of WAGA tokens. Step 2. Invite and cycle to receive WAGA generator NFTs. TU2 has a cycling counter. Each 3 members equal 1 full cycle, and the TU2 structure will begin again. The TU2 structure is naturally filled by each member's individual and personal efforts to invite members to interact with the TryUnity smart contract. Each account is accessible to the address that owns the digital citizenship NFT. Each account has a corresponding referral link that members can share in order to get new members to join the TryUnity smart contract. The TU3 structure is the only structure that will incur spillover from the efforts of others outside of any given account. Therefore, the TU3 structure will not need to record how many times this structure cycles, regardless of the fact that it indeed cycle after every 6 members in structure. Every cycle under the TU2 structure that each account incur, will receive at random, 1 WAGA generator NFT. There are 1,000,000 1x generators, 200,000 2x generators, 5,000 5x generators, 10 10x generators, and 125x generator NFTs available, and they can only be obtained through cycling the TU2 structure. Each one of these NFTs can be staked to receive WAGA token rewards. Alternatively, WAGA generator NFTs can also be traded. Step 3. Reap the fruits of your labor. As the community proceeds to grow, each and every member will receive daily rewards regardless if they participate any further from the initial interaction with the TryUnity smart contract. The ultimate goal is to pool funds together as a community to build the Isle of Judah. You'll be able to stake your WAGA generator NFTs or stake WAGA itself and receive even more WAGA rewards. Together, TryUnity will turn this community development into a reality, and generate for the community, ULX and WAGA rewards. Additionally, all WEDC holders have a say within the TryUnity DOS. As a community, we all will be able to create a new way.